random Mercedes-Benz. Okay. Then I was working in Mitsubishi in Japan. I was studying in innovation management and entrepreneurship in DFK, Manchester Business School. Okay. So after being all there, like after visiting 20 countries and all that, I decided I'd come back and do something for the youth. So that is why we are doing this.
In Vidyadri PU College and graduation in East West Institute of Technology and passed out at in year 2020.
Good, so you can improve much more. Now, what main thing is you are introducing, right? When you are introducing, there should be a structure in your introduction. That will help you in the coming days.
So I want to do job in IT field, so that's why I choose IT, and I am currently pursuing cloud computing course in B Practical Institute.
My name is Madhuri. I did my graduation at RGM College, Andhra Pradesh, and I did my intermediate at Kurnool, my schooling at Nandyal. I did my projects in college, 2 projects, mini projects and major projects. Both are based on medical based. My strengths are quick learner,
engineering in Don Bosco Institute of Technology in the stream of electronics and communication. Since my technical skills are not good, so I wish to pursue full stack web development in Deep Practical. So far I have learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript.
Now this was the base level. Okay. Now at the end of this program, you will have to make one more. Okay. That time you will see what is the difference automatically. Also there is a structure. When you are introducing yourself, there are so many things which are irrelevant. Okay, some people will talk about their parents in front of interviewer. What will interviewer know, like with your parents, right? He wants to know what you can do, how you can help the company. If you are telling one history of your educational qualifications and all that, he already has your CV. Why will he ask again? Right? What is the point? You've got like a limited opportunity to talk in front of the interviewer. Okay, in that interview opportunity, if you are telling the same story what is written in your CV, what is the use? He has already seen. That is why you are called for the interview, right? Bigger than the CV. Okay, that's what we'll structure it. The next part right now, what I'm going to conduct is going to be group discussion. So again, all these exercises are for you to experience the real thing so that you can start talking. Okay. Starts now.
So COVID-19 has been a very critical situation for each and everyone, where many of them have lost their jobs and they are struggling till they are struggling more and more. The situation has become like each and everyone are in a pathetic situation that no one are finding other jobs too.
it would impact mainly on students because the students did not get any classes. They are not going to colleges, students, because of COVID situation.
So, how to sound professional? Probably you are not professional, but how to act? Okay, it's all about acting. Okay, actors act to make money. You are also doing acting only to make money. Only difference is they'll make more money. That's all. Okay, so ask and clarify doubts. If you don't know, give positive feedback. If someone made a good point, tell, oh, that's a good point. I never thought about it. It's brilliant. You're not losing if you appreciate others. Okay, don't interrupt others. If someone is talking, don't just because you want to make your point before the time ends, don't interrupt. But again, if someone is talking too much, like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, not giving the opportunity, you need to know how to cut them in a professional way. Don't just take their name. Like for example, like okay, you just keep talking something. Just talk something. Then blah 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 only.
Blah, blah, blah.
Then keep going on.
Blah, 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 blah.
You only stop. I need to interrupt you.
Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, Ashok, actually I want to make a point. Can I?
Okay.
Okay. Like that. Okay. So think like that. You should do it in a very professional manner. Okay. When he is telling you don't quack quack quack, no. Okay. It will become a fish market. Okay. Then acknowledge and smile. Obviously, you need to be sounding pleasant. Okay, correct. Who will want to sit and discuss with you, right? So showing empathy, as I told you, when people are talking, understand them, try to give them support in the discussion and things like that. Maintaining eye contact is again very important. Don't speak too much. Okay, maybe you have brilliant points. There is a limit. You should set your own limit. If it's a 6-minute discussion, just have a limit of this is what I want to talk. Okay, but if no one is talking, you can come on. Okay, or you can make someone else talk as well. Don't speak too less also. If you don't talk, of course they will not consider you for a job. Okay.
And now I am pursuing full stack in Biparticle. I am independent learner. Why? Because I really like to learn new technologies in online platforms, HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery. After 5 years, I want to be as a team leader. Thank you.
So, major feedback. The hand, it's a very awkward way of holding, okay? And don't use why because it's not English language. Okay, it's not a proper sentence structure in English. Okay, so that, and again background you could have done better. Okay, so hand, instead of just being like this, you can talk the way you were, right? Yeah, using like this you can show, and up and down. Okay, like this. Keep moving like this depending on your tone. This is like riding horse. Okay.
Hi, my name is Vani. Now I'm pursuing full stack developer course in Practical Solutions. Recently I attended the iTrain programming skills. It helps me a lot. Before attending this program, I don't know how to face the interviews and group discussions. After attending this program, I'm improving my knowledge and the skills also. It helps me a lot. It is highly recommended to freshers. Thank you.
I've taken the full stack web development course from Be Practical Tech Solutions. The trainers are highly knowledgeable and skilled. They teach the topics from the scratch, which help me to understand the topics more clearly. In an interview, the interviewer not only checks the technical skills but also looks out for good communication skills and the behavior of the candidate. So the Be Practical team organized iTrain Skill at Will program, which helped me to understand the interviewer's perspectives and gain more self-confidence. Overall, it was a very good learning experience. I would recommend it to all the freshers who are looking out to expand their knowledge and skills. Thank you.
Hi, I am Madhavi. I have opted full stack developer course in Be Practical Tech Solutions. Recently, I attended iTrain program. During this program, I attended my first mock interview. It has helped me to understand the interviewer's perspectives to face the questions in better way. And also it helps me improve the communication skills and confidence levels. Before attending this program, I don't know about group discussions. Now I got the experience to handle the group discussions in better way. I recommend to others because it is one of the opportunity to improve their skills and confidence levels. Thank you.
Hi, I am Madhuri. Currently, I am pursuing full stack developer at Be Practical Tech Solutions Bangalore. Recently, I attended the iTraining program. I am very grateful that I am the part of 2 weeks of iTraining program. In that training, I was improved my self-confidence and communication skills, and also I attended the live group discussions and mock interviews. In group discussions, I can share my ideas easily with everyone, and also I attended the mock interview. It helps me a lot to what the interviewer will ask, and it will be highly recommended to freshers. Thank you.